Good morning, guys. Oh my goodness. Woke up earlier today. I did woke up early, but then I went back to bed, and because I just needed some rest, and I didn't do my regular show. And then I found out that, you know, I got a message saying all the tokens are gone from our Phantom wallet. I'm like, what? I was a little shocked at first, and then I found out, it was a system-wide problem that anyone who had Phantom was, had lost all their tokens because their tokens were just not showing up. They were still there, it just wasn't showing up in the application. And so I suggested everybody to, I would suggest everybody to use two wallets, right? And that's what I do. I use both Phantom and Soulflare. Soulflare, right, with the same seed phrase, right? So, for example, if we go over here, right, you'll see I have Phantom here, right, and Soulflare here. So I can log into Soulflare as well with the same seed phrase. And this way, thank you, coffee, and you just close the door. So this way, you won't have any problems, right? You will always, if the one doesn't work, right, the other one will show you exactly what's going on, right? So there you go. Now, I want to address something here about people calling stuff like Orc and Waffles scam coins. I want you to realize I understand your feeling, because that's what people said to me when Bitcoin went from $1 to $32 and collapsed all the way back down to $2. Scam coin is a scam, right? Okay, right? I understand your feeling, right? You expect markets to only go up, not down. Like, that doesn't happen in your world. Markets only go up in your world. Only go up. Okay, that's fine. Then do not invest in anything, because that's not true. That is not true. Things go up and things go down, right? The market sentiment is down right now, but both Orc and Waffles are not scam coins, okay? Scam coins go to zero, right? Scam coins like Peon coin was a scam coin, and as soon as I identified it as such, I cut them off, right? I want those people who feel that they've been robbed. That's fine. There's going to be if you know that this is not the scam, and you understand that we're working hard to provide value for this token. Great, you should buy it and hold it and wait for the time when it goes higher. But most of you want to be rich tomorrow. You want to buy something today and be rich tomorrow. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Okay? It takes time, right? So let me show you. Let me show you what I mean. Because you seem to have lost all fracking perspective, right? Let me see. Oops, I guess this is not the right one. Come on, show up. So, I guess I can't find it. Maybe it's Dog with Hat is not on Solana. That's weird. I can't find it. That is so weird. I hate that. So the common coin market coin. Let's go to coin market cap then. Okay, let's go with Pepe. Take a look at this. Right? If you bought Pepe at the top here, right, and watched it go down, right? Even if you bought it here, at the 100 million market cap, all the way down to the 100 million or even 80 million market cap, you would have said, Da Vinci, why are you supporting scam coins? Right. This is dumb. I want you to stop. I want you to unsubscribe from me if you're dumb enough to think that, right? because I'm tired of the nonsense and stupid people, okay? And then you would have had to wait, right? Let's see here. Until it broke, if you bought at the top here, you would have had to wait all the way, almost a year, right? Let's see, May, right? Like 9 months before you saw a profit. Now, does that mean that I was scamming you? No. Does it mean Carl was scamming you? No. Okay? And if you sold, right, at the bottom, you scammed yourself, right? And decided to walk away, you scammed yourself. So, I don't know how long it's going to take, honestly, for Orc to turn itself around, but it will, right? In this market. And when it does, right, I'm going to be holding up my t-shirt and just saying, that's for all the people who called it a scam coin, right? You know which t-shirt I'm going to be holding up, right? Okay. So be prepared, because I'm looking forward to that, right? Looking forward to that. So yeah, we didn't lose any of our coins. Once again, if you guys are just joining us live and wondering what's going on, I'm talking about Pepe, right? A lot of coins, a lot of people felt that they lost their tokens. They woke up, they almost lost their lunch, as all their tokens had disappeared from their wallet. It was just a short-term problem with Phantom. Even I was like, what the hell? As my personal assistant said, all the tokens are gone. It's just like, what? But yeah, it was just a problem with Phantom. So I would suggest you use both Phantom and Soulflare and find out which one do you like best. I personally I use them both, and I like Soulflare better. Now, I'd like to put out another warning to you guys that invest on Solana with tokens. Let's just bring up WIF as well, since WIF was the example I wanted to actually make. Right, and go to all. Take a look at this. WIF was nothing. Right, and I think this data does not go back far enough. I think there's pretty much more data on WIF well before this, because I remember seeing this WIF well before this. I'm wondering, what the hell? Who's going to buy this? Right? It was like, it was well below even a penny. Right? For the longest while. And they don't have enough data here. So, was that a scam coin too? Like, anyone who calls it, who calls me that say that I'm here scamming you, well, okay, then just turn it off. Leave it to the rest of the people who do agree with me that I'm trying to do my best here to help you guys out. And if you're buying this, right? When this is when both Waffles and Orc is at $1 billion market cap, right? And for those who don't think it's gonna get there, just remember this video, right? I told you so, right? Because you know what? Honestly, I was like, I can't believe that you guys would actually do the same things to me that the people did when I first introduced Bitcoin. That's what you're doing. You're saying and doing the exact mofo things. Right? Fine. Right? Don't listen to me. I don't care. I care about the people who do listen, and they will do well, right? I can't help all of you guys. I can only help the people who are willing to be helped, right? The rest of you guys, well, you'll sit there and go, oh shoot, I wish I'd listened. Darn. Wish I did that before. Wish I'd done the right thing. Didn't know. Well, yeah. Well, I was trying to tell you, but you weren't listening, right? And so, yeah, that's how it is, right? Okay, let's see here. $1 billion market cap, bro. Okay, well, you know what? I don't care, because you know what? Honestly, what people told me about Bitcoin was that it would never even get to the price of gold. Never, never, never. Okay, so you guys, I need the guy who just said, I'm going to, you know what? I need negative Nancy here gone. Right, let's see here. I'm going to remove, report, pin. Let's see here, activities. I want to hide user on this channel. Okay, that's it. All right, anybody else? Right? Alrighty. Well, you know what? That's a community coin. They're gonna have to build that on themselves. I told them that the Da Vinci coin, that they have to like build this to up to something solid with their own community, right? And so, and once they do, then I can support it. And I've already talked about it many times, how much what their goal is in order for them to actually do well. All right. Let's see here. All right, Monkey S. Inu, it will always support. Cheers to the MSI crew. Thank you very much. Great token. You guys are doing very well. Right, and so this is the year of the meme coins. Now, either you guys embrace that and accept it, and you join in on the meme coins that are solid, or you sit back and watch, or you sell your meme coins and watch. Up to you, right? Up to you. And if you want to sit back and watch, that's fine. You do that. If you want to, like, purchase these coins that are obviously scams, up to you too, right? Look at this thing. Come on. Right. And so, yeah. You want to be a millionaire tomorrow? Well, find somebody else, right, to help you, see if they can help you buy something for pennies and spend $100 and be a millionaire tomorrow. That's not my job. I'm not planning to do that for you. Okay? So don't try it, right? If you are willing to, put in the effort, wait, take some time, and be patient, well, I've got tokens for you to buy that you can be patient on, that you can purchase a small amount over time, right? And then see greater returns in the future, right? That's what they are, right? Waffles and Orc are going to slowly, over time, show you greater returns in the future. All right. Let's see what other questions you guys got here. Is it safe to buy Daddy and the Andrew Tate coin? I'm not. I'd be afraid to bet against Andrew Tate. That's why I do have some Andrew Tate coin, Daddy coin. But my analysis of the meme coin is there's just too many whale holders that are dumping on their on the average person, right? Trying to buy this thing, and so. Is it not possible for them to grow? It is possible. It's just if they use my tools that I'm going to be building, I'm building some tools. They can help capture some of the whales, and then slow them down, right? Because that's what's needed, right? They need to slow down the whales, right? All right. We have another person who is just annoyance. All right. Yeah, somebody who wants to see me lose all their tokens. Yes, people felt that they lost all their tokens, but yeah, we didn't lose them all. Phantom had some problems, right? Anyways, can Waffles reach more than $1 billion market cap? Yeah, I really believe it can, because we are building lots of tools that are actually profitable. The tools are profitable, and we're using it to buy up the tokens and burn them. So it has a better chance than any other meme coin out there. And we're going to be building more tools, right? And as we build more tools, right, we'll see Waffles profit from that. So either you could join us, right, or watch it at the sidelines. So thank you for your super chat, right? We appreciate it. The Eagle did a super chat asking that question. Okay, let's see here. Any BTC updates? Well, Bitcoin right now looked like it was about to take off. Let's do some TA there. Looks like it was ready to take off, but then it actually came back down to scare the bejesus out of people, and yeah, it's a little bit typical of the what's it called, of forex trading. I mean, where we could see that, oh yeah, we're breaking out, and no, F you, right? So it's Bitcoin trading has gotten that much more difficult with as much as it is with forex. Now, is it impossible to trade it? No, it's not. You're just going to have to make adjustments. I have to make some adjustments on my trading plans because it no longer trades like a typical cryptocurrency. It trades more like a forex currency, and that's a different type of trading, right? And so you would have to do things like long-term trendline analysis, breaks, right? Trendline breaks, right? So like this. And then you have to, suck up whenever it, and understand that, hey, you know what? Now that it's broken, it might break through this particular previous high, only to wipe people out eventually and reverse the trend, right? Finally reverse the trend, which is right here, right? So that's what it did, right? So if you're just doing basic trend lines, right, it no longer goes. So generally what would happen is if it broke the trend line, it would not break up the much higher of the previous high. Sometimes it would, but very rarely, and then it would just break down, right? Today, with because it's forex trading, it's like almost like a forex trading. It'll break it and break it again, right? Giving you like let's just say you set up your buy order here. You stop. You go, okay. Well, now I'm in. I maybe add a few more, and then when it breaks down, you go, okay. Now my stop loss is here, only to have it wipe you out and then break down. It's horrible design, right? It is what it is, right? So, so it's really difficult to trade this, right? On currently, but it's not impossible. You just need to add more, reduce your leverage and have more balls of steel, right? So you have to add, because it's really difficult to determine where's your stop loss here, right? If it's not this last wick, then where's it now, right? So let's just say you bought into this area right here, right? And let me point to it, which is approximately, you bought below the 69 350, right? And you shorted, sorry, you short the 69,350, and then it just blew through that, right? You ended up having to, let's say you have stop loss at 69,350, and you are going to take a loss. You take a loss, and you were right all along. So hard, because that's what happened to me, right? It was a really hard trade, right? I knew that this was the down trade, but it just, it just wiped me out several times, right? So it was just like, whoa. Not an easy thing to do. Okay, so with that said, what's going on here, right? Well, there's a clear bullish flag here, and then we can probably see the same thing here. Bullish flag and another bull flag, and we pumped up a little bit, and now going back down, saying, oh yeah, we're going to get wiped out, but its odds are that this thing is going to pump higher, not actually go down, and so that's the most likely scenario, right? So what do you do, right? Okay, well, you can see that, okay, there might be another fake out wipeout here, so you might want to buy just below this wick, right, which is the 57,844, or let me just put the magnet here so that we can get the actual wick. There we go. At the 57,669. Okay, so if you did that, you bought just below that, how far do you have to go before your stop losses? That was always the problem with Forex, right? You don't know what percentage, right, down you can get screwed on, right? So let's just go with that, right? Your entries here, right? So what percentage of loss? 2%? Let's just say it's 2%. Right? That's a 2% loss. Right? And you go 2 to 1. Sometimes the market, and I can see it up here, the market will be like, screw you, and then go. It is what it is, right? And you can say, well, then I'll move my entry to the 2%, to the where my stop loss, which should be. Yeah, but then you are playing you're playing this guessing game always, right? And that's the problem, right? Where do you get your entry in this particular situation so that you can maximize your profits, right? Is always the case with trading. Where is it? Where's the entry? Where's the stop loss? Is what you're looking for. And where's the take profits, right? So, best possible entry is effectively here, right? The 57,669. But there's no guarantees of that, right? Because like we have a stop, we have like support level here. We have like a lot of things to indicate that that's correct, right? But how's it going to play out? We got to see. All right. So once again, those who are joining this live stream, right? Lost all my tokens. We woke up today realizing that our Phantom wallets were drained, but actually the Phantom was having some serious issues, and it's not the case. Let's take a look at any of your questions here. Let's see here. There's like a $10. Do you see Froglick hitting the range of 100 million to $1 billion market cap? If you can give a quick chart analysis, please. Yeah, I think Froglick has a chance to get to 100 million market cap. It is a meme coin, right? Keep that in mind. And yeah, so it'll take a little bit more community support in order for it to get there, but it can get there. Okay. Any thoughts on Monero? Monero. Okay, well, that's a Monero. Monero. Which is XMR. Right. Does have a good shot. Let's see here. Of doing extremely well. It was like close to $100, breaking the $100 level, which, you know, it's huge support level here. But I think we can see Monero do extremely well, assuming that this is accurate, right? Then this is not leaking any tokens. The problem is you can't really determine how many tokens there are out there because of the way it's designed, right? I'm not sure if this supply, because it should be worth a lot more, Monero, right? You could say, well, it's not available on exchanges and so forth, so how it's only leverage trading and so forth, right? Yeah, true. But, there are exchanges that do support Monero, right? Kraken, right? Gate.io, smaller exchanges, right? So it does have some sort of exchange. So its valuation has got me a little confused, right? Because you can actually trade with it anonymously, right? So why is it not valued a lot higher, right? And also with all cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Monero, you could do what's called atomic swaps. What is atomic swap? It means that you can swap between two parties, right? Off chain, or off exchange, right? Off an exchange, but just chain to chain, where no one can cheat the other person, right? If the two trusted parties want to do a trade, they can do a trade. They can agree on how much Monero they want and how much Bitcoin each side gets, and then boom, that trade will transact. It will either transact, each person will receive their tokens and in a fair exchange, or no one at all, right? And so this transaction can be off an exchange in an OTC manner, right? So that's what I'm thinking, right? If this is the case, right, why can't somebody put together a website to find people that can do the OTC, their own OTC, from Bitcoin to XMR? Maybe that doesn't exist, and there it is, a $1 billion idea right there, right? Where you just do a website saying, okay, if you have X coin and you want to trade the Y coin, you can do so. You just need to settle on price, right? What percentage, and then the system will automatically, if there's a percentage off or something like that, let's just say you go, okay, well, I want XMR for my Bitcoin, but I want a 2% discount, right, on the market price, right? And then somebody could take that order, right, if they want to, right? And then on the system, it's just an atomic swap. There's no third middleman really effectively doing the trade. It's just between the two you guys, right? And so this is one way that money can be moved really quickly and be wealth can be hidden from the eyes of the government, right? Is through Monero. So that's my thoughts. I'm surprised somebody hasn't built something exactly like that for Monero. Yes, orc to the moon. Yes, Orc. Thanks for showing some love with all the hate that's out there. All you Orc lovers. I didn't really mention Frosty on that or X. I just did a quick, you know, a joke because I saw it on X and I was like, stay frosty and alert because it's from my favorite movie called Aliens. Right? If you watch my channel, I'm always doing this, right? Doing quotes from even 5x5 in the pipe 5x5. Where did I get that from? Please, anyone? Tell me, anyone? That's right. Aliens. So if you're not getting it, right? If you don't get it right now, I love to basically make alien quotes, right? Right, like let's see here. Game over. Right, all from the movie Aliens, right? Right, this one, whenever things go bad.
Well, that's great. That's just fucking great, man. Now what the fuck are we supposed to do? Where's the real fruity shit now, man? You finished?
Game over, man. Game over. So yeah, it was just right. That's what.
I want you to walk a perimeter. Move. Hey, listen. We're all in strung out shape. But stay frosty and alert.
That's it. Stay frosty and alert. Okay, that's all I did. Right, I didn't support it on friggin' X. Okay. All right. Okay. When this cycle will end and why all coins are dying? All coins are dying. All coins are not dying. They're going down, but they're not dying. Right? Jesus Christ. Right? You expect the people who make these comments. Why is all coins dying? I mean, do you like? It is unbelievable the amount of people who actually think if I buy a cryptocurrency, it should only stay at the same price or go higher. That's it. That's it. Oh my God. Man. Like, really? Man. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay, somebody's saying thoughts on Wolves. I really think it's a good buy. I bought a little bit. Everyone, Pepe is doing fine. Hold your bags. Yes, Pepe. Yeah, another good one. Pepe is good. Yeah, is one of those other ones that they're gonna do well. You just need to be patient and hold your bags and wait for it because it's honestly it's the beginning of the cycle. There's always ups and downs, and we're in a down cycle, but at the end of the day, right, we're gonna win, right? The people who hold Orc, who gets Orc right now, those who owns the Orc right now, they're going to get at this price right now not 100x, but 200x, right? if they just buy some now and sell half here, they'll get 100x. Think about that for a second. And they don't have that, and they never lost their principal. They never put the principal after it gets to just to 10 million market cap. That's the risk. You just have to wait for 10 million market cap. Can we do that again? In our sleep. In our sleep. Right? So we're getting to 10 million again. I'm staying above that when we do. So you could either accept that and buy some and wait, right? Or wait for let the other people do that. And then you can come in and ask me, hey, Da Vinci, is it too late to buy work? Right? All right. How much do you want to bet we're gonna get that the people who actually didn't buy orc now gonna ask me, is it too late to buy orc when we're at $500 million market cap? How much you want to make a bet? Right? That's an easy. I'm looking forward to that. Watching that. We're gonna do a live show, right, sometime around that, and we're gonna see an X number of people. I'm gonna ask them, did you have an opportunity to buy orc before? And then we're gonna say, yeah, but it was kind of low. I wasn't too sure. Okay, then there you go. There you go. Right? Okay, let's see here. What else is there? Do you pay taxes on transactions? Not American, don't pay taxes. So on transactions, but you have to if you're American, unfortunately. Right? That's just the rules, right? Water token. Come on, dude. Really? Like, do you know how many times they asked me to promote that token? And it was like, and then when I finally did, I was like, no, I had to pull back, give them their money back. No. When Waffles staking? Yeah, it's coming. It's coming, right? We'll get it. We're gonna have like a different kind of staking though. I think we're building in-place staking, right? I think that's much better, right, than placing it into contract. This way, I think an in-place staking is a better option. So everybody holds their token, and you just have to keep it there. Don't move it. You move it, you're done. You so much as move it, you finish, right? You could add to it, you can't subtract, right? So that's that. Any updates on the micro Da Vinci J15 token? Oh, let's take a look. Jesus, I might have to. Let's see if I can turn this thing on. The VPN. I need to go on to my. Okay, there we go. I already know how to fix that because I'm a network specialist. I just haven't done it. where the website that I'm building, that's being built for the DJ15 token, the testing is local. So, oh, no, here it is, test. Oops. Let's see if they've redone the page. No, they haven't. Okay. We've done some, we're redoing the page and stuff like that. You have to connect it with a wallet that's on the test net. And yeah, so right now we have the designer redoing the website, doing everything. And then we are going to be launching soon. So yeah, look out for that. Coming soon. Coming soon. Mm-hmm. Bro, should I buy Caspa for an 8-year hold? Yeah, I'm doing that. I don't know if you should, but I'm doing that. I am actually buying up Caspa for a long-term hold, right? Let me just bring up Caspa here. Right, and you can see we're down a little bit, but yeah, if it gets below, if it drops below 15 cents, I'm a buyer. Right. Yeah. So I'm buying and holding this for a long-term play. So I don't care if it goes down, right? I'm good with that, right? It can come back all the way back down to 5 cents. It doesn't really matter. I'm not buying for the short-term gains that you guys are always looking for, right? Right. I see the long-term valuation. Now, I don't agree with their development path, but that's okay. It doesn't mean that the pro coin is bad, right? Or horrible or anything. It's just we don't agree with how I don't agree how they're developing it. It doesn't mean that they're completely wrong. We just have a disagreement on that, right? And that's fine, right? There's nothing wrong with the fact that I'm disagreeing with it. I think that everything else is really good. The technology is good. And yeah, who knows? We're going to see this thing because it's first out the gate, right? And I think it will do extremely well. Others who copied their block DAG will probably do well as well. Okay? Yeah, 200x from Orc from here, guys. That's right. Walking apart, and you can don't get greedy. You can sell half on the double when it gets to the 10 million market cap, and then you hold it for the 100x banger, right? That's simple as that. Easy peasy. Okay, I'm just looking for some sort of like question that's good. There's just a lot of here, guys. Try not to spam it. By Da Vinci Bubba. Okay, you know what? Too much spam there. Hmm. Damn. Now we got no more questions. Thoughts on bone. Don't know what that is. Me. Yes. Let's go over me. Right. Me took a little bit of a tumble. But, you know, it is what it is. The markets are severely down, but it's not out yet, right? Medieval empires, right? Still building, still producing a good product, and I'm still playing that product. You want to doubt? You doubt that? Like some of you doubting Thomases out there? Well, simple, right? I'll just show you right now that I'm playing the game, right? Boom. And we can go to where I am ranked. I'm number 7, right? Trying to take out the 6th player, but you know, it's really going to take a lot of effort and work, right? But I want to get into the top 3. That's going to be the bigger challenge, right? So, but I can get there, working hard, right? And let's see here. I got this is level 20. This is level 20 barracks. Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right, so let's put this guy to work. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see if we have any more locations for the land. Let's see here. People who want in the land. Yeah, there's no more locations, but let's see if there's anybody get level. When does this reset? This guy's lollygagging, but I'm just gonna give him some time. This guy, same here. He hasn't done much, right? Let's see what his contract is. Yeah. Should I kick somebody so that you could join my land? Should I kick boot? Maybe this guy. Okay. Been, you know, you're level 10. He's the last in all of this, so I'm gonna kick boot him, and I'm gonna ask for a level 11. Yep. This is level 4, so let's pump up the taxes a little bit. Oops, got a little bit of a bug there. Let's start with this. I'll need some more, but I don't need that much resources anymore. So there you go. If you got level 11, if you're at level 11 or higher, you can join me on my land. I want to get another level 5 land, but they're so expensive, man. It's just, I'm like, okay, there's 0 ROI on that one. So yeah, look at how much taxes I got. Yeah, I'm loading up with the taxes. All right, wait a second here. There's a lot of people here that's lollygagging. All right, so let's wipe them out. Level 2 land. All right. Maybe I'll drop the taxes a little bit less, to 7%. No, I'm gonna get 3. Enter fee, no entry fee, just level 9 and above. Level 9. There we go. Level 9. All right, so there you go. There's lots of lands here that if you want to participate in, you can. And I will be doing some giveaways of me tokens from my land, people who are on my land, right? Giveaways of me, right? Actually, you know what? Just so you know, you might have to. I'm gonna manage countries. So this one, this land has the biggest giveaway. I might even up it, right? I'm offering 20,000 once they get to level 10. So I'm gonna probably up that and probably boot these people here if they don't start playing. So, and then you can actually win some huge rewards. Maybe I might double it to 40,000 me if we get to level 10. Okay. Where are my waffles? Low for real. What do you mean your waffles? Do you need some waffles? Go make some. Is a reward token? It's a governance token, me token. Right. Much love to you from the MSI community. Cheers. Waffles, can we buy now? Hells yeah. Yeah, we are gonna hold the line here heavily with the Waffles coin. Right? We're taking a little bit of hit, but yeah, we'll be back. And back heavy. We'll be back well over the 3 cents mark again and headed to 50 million market cap. Right? We were looking to open up our what's it called? Our development schedule. Oh man. Right, let's see here. Come on. You know I'm not a robot. Jesus, this is annoying. Oh my God. Whoever did this needs to die. What? Why am I doing this? Okay, yeah, it's useless. Yeah, you know what? The person, they need to fix that. That's not acceptable. I'll have them fix it. Because you can't have people clicking forever on their stupid captchas, man. It's poorly designed captchas, honestly. So they're gonna have to use that. I'll talk to them. because that's not acceptable. Those captchas are not acceptable, honestly. Because all I'm doing is telling the computer what the car and motorcycle is, right? And it's like not getting it. So no, right? You're not gonna, unless we're getting paid to do that. I'm gonna be talking to the team. Unless we're getting paid to do that, that needs to be removed, right? Because you're just annoying of your visitors, right? Anyways, all right. Let's end the stream, right? Once again, I would suggest you guys have both Phantom Wallet, Phantom Wallet, and Solana, Soulflare Wallet. Let me just log in. See if I can log in. Can't log into my software. There it is. Yes. Yes, no, maybe so. There we go. So there's my Soulflare, right? And my Phantom Wallet, right? And there it is. Alrighty. So use both, right? Somebody's actually asking me about Peon. It's a scam, man. It's horrible. Yeah, don't. And then on top of that, they had like a bot. I mean, okay, yeah. You know what? I should mention. We're seeing that happening with Orc Coin. There seems to be some sort of bot that if you have your just make sure you set the if you're gonna buy something, right? You set the swap and you set the let's just say you're gonna buy some work. Why is this so slow? Darn. Let's try it with this swap. Work. There you go. One. You make sure you set the slippage. Provider. Why is it a high slippage? Probably because this is part of their problems right now. They're off on the prices. Let's see here. There's no way that you're gonna have a slippage of 5%. Review order. Price impact. Slippage. How do we change the slippage? Well, I'm pretty sure that there's a way to change the slippage on. That's why I like to. Where is the slippage? Transactions will fail if the price changes in unfavorable more than 5%. You should change that. It should never be like that high. Why is this so slow? It never used to be like this. So yeah, make sure you change the slippage if you're using it, Soulflare, right, to something small, 0.5% or 1%, and then those bots can't get you. Let's see here. Best price. Received. Settings, there we go. there, 0.5%. Make sure you change that right here by clicking on here. Do not let it go, like, or else if you put like 30%, right? What will happen is some bot will jump in front of you and pump the price up more, almost 25%, sell, and then, you know, you'd buy it at a higher price and then you get screwed. So do not do that. Do not put it at the you know, a high percentage, else you will get screwed. Let's see here. I could have swore I saved it. Yeah, there it is. So switch it back to 0.005%, right? And then, yeah, you won't get screwed, okay? From bots. Yes, it seems to be still a problem with Phantom. If it's telling us that there's a slippage of 5%, their data is like not up to date. So there it is. All right. Orc is not dead too, okay? We're all going, just like saying Bitcoin's dead, or Shiba Inu's dead. No, we are all alive and kicking heavy. Yeah, we're down, but we're not out. So you could either, you know, stay with us, right? Or wait until you say, is it too late to buy some more? I'm looking forward to that. Looking forward to that. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Cheers.